Hey, are you a dropshipper? If yes, we are perfect dropshipping partner for you. We will make your work so easy. We have 2000 plus products. Benefits of working with us. Daily top 10 trending products for dropshipper. We will dispatch your order on same day. RTO refundable up to 50%. Our team will manage your RTO. So why are you waiting? Visit our website www.indiandropship.com and sign up now and start selling with Indian Dropship and make money online easily. For any other queries, contact us on WhatsApp. Thank you so much.